Hey everybody, I'm Meera, aka EdTech by Meera. I make tutorials on different tech skills and no tech skills, that is coding as well as no code skills. I also make tutorials on money making online with side hustle tips and other tech skills like creating Canva templates, etc. etc. I have not yet reached the milestone of 1000 followers to start earning from YouTube. So if you like what I'm teaching and you want me to help you in your career goals, do support me so that I can teach you better. Yeah, subscribe, like, and share all my videos. Okay, so I've included my Kofi link here and in my bio. My goal, as mentioned in Kofi, is to improve my teaching with better audio tools and equipments. I would really appreciate if you could support my goal by tipping me via the Kofi app. Okay, so a small tip from you can go a long way in helping me achieve my goal. Thank you and stay tuned to more exciting tech skill tutorials and see you in my next tutorial.